This is a basic but highly effective way to prepare St. Louis style ribs. So these are 2 racks of St. Louis style ribs, and I've cut them in half so that they fit optimally inside of my master-built electric smoker. And this is one of the rubs I use. You can find it linked within this video's description. Basic and affordable. You don't really need anything more. So all that I did, I got yellow mustard and put some gloves on, and I've linked those gloves within this video's description too. But I squirted yellow mustard all over the ribs, and then I applied a generous amount of this dry rub, and then I rubbed it in. So what you're seeing here is just a combination of yellow mustard and dry rub. That's it. You don't need anything else. You can if you want to, but yeah, subscribe to my channel, check out my master built electric smoker video playlist, and you can see step by step how I smoke my ribs. But this is the first and highly essential step. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.